Let's be honest, living in a tiny apartment isn't always easy. Storage disappears fast, surfaces fill up quickly, and somehow the space starts feeling smaller every week. But here's the exciting part. You don't need a bigger home, you just need smarter furniture. Today, we're exploring clever space-saving pieces that transform tight layouts into calm, functional spaces. And if anything catches your eye, you'll find all the links waiting for you down in the description below. Alright, let's begin. So first, let's solve the guest problem. In a tiny apartment, there's rarely space for a full guest bed. That's where this convertible sleeper chair completely changes things. During the day, it works as a sleek lounge chair that fits easily into small layouts without overpowering the room. But when needed, it unfolds smoothly into a recliner or even a full sleeping surface. Instead of dedicating permanent square footage to something used occasionally, this adapts instantly. You'll typically see pieces like this around $299. One chair, multiple rolls, and suddenly your space feels smarter. Right after that, this dresser with hanging rack keeps clothing storage simple and efficient. It combines deep drawers for folded items with an upper hanging rail for shirts, jackets, or everyday outfits, all in one compact vertical structure. Instead of buying separate furniture for drawers and hanging space, everything stays organized in one streamlined footprint. It uses height instead of width, which is exactly what smaller bedrooms need. You'll typically find options like this around $159, offering practical storage without overwhelming the room. Moving along, this expandable coffee table adds function without adding visual clutter. At first glance, it looks clean and minimal, but lift the top and hidden compartments appear for remotes, blankets, or everyday essentials. It also expands to provide extra surface space when needed, making it ideal for living rooms that double as work or dining areas. Instead of bringing in additional storage furniture, this single piece quietly handles multiple roles. Most versions are priced around $249. Balancing style with smart functionality. Next up, this expandable folding dining table brings flexibility to meals, work, or everyday tasks without taking over the room. Most of the time, it stays compact, keeping your layout open and easy to move around. When you need more space, the drop-leaf sides extend smoothly to create a full surface for dining, projects, or even a temporary workstation. Built-in drawers add convenient storage, and the wheels allow you to reposition it as needed. You'll typically see versions priced around $229. Making it a practical choice for multi-purpose living. Right after that, this Futon Sofa Bed delivers everyday comfort while doubling as a sleeping solution when space is limited. It works as a clean, modern sofa during the day, giving you a place to relax without crowding the room. At night, it converts easily into a bed, eliminating the need for separate furniture competing for the same square footage. That dual purpose is especially valuable in studio apartments, where one area has to handle multiple roles. Most options are priced around $279, offering strong functionality without overcomplicating your setup. Taking that flexibility a step further, this multi-purpose mobile home office desk creates a workspace only when you need it. Its rolling design lets you move it easily into position, whether you're working beside a window or setting up temporarily in the living area. Once the day is done, it can be tucked away to reopen the room instead of leaving a permanent office footprint. Lockable wheels keep it stable during use, while the compact frame fits comfortably into smaller layouts. Most versions are priced around $189, making it ideal for adaptable living. For something even more compact, this adjustable TV tray table adds instant surface space without committing to full furniture. It works beautifully for meals, laptops, reading, or hobbies, then folds down when not in use so the room stays open. With adjustable height and tilt angles, it adapts comfortably whether you're seated on a sofa or working from a chair. That kind of lightweight versatility is exactly what small apartments benefit from most. You'll typically find these priced around $59, making it a simple but impactful upgrade. Now, adding a bit of convenience to everyday living, this end table with charging station keeps essentials within reach while staying compact. Its narrow profile slides easily beside a sofa or bed, making it ideal for tighter layouts where larger tables would feel intrusive. Built-in outlets and USB ports reduce cable clutter by giving you a dedicated place to charge devices, lamps, or accessories. A small drawer and shelf provide just enough storage without overloading the space. Most versions are priced around $99, blending practicality with a clean footprint. Looking upward for smarter storage, this 360-degree rotating 6-tier bookshelf makes excellent use of vertical space. Instead of spreading items across wide shelving, it stacks them neatly in a compact tower that spins for easy access. Books, decor, or daily essentials stay organized without taking over the room, and the rotating design adds convenience without adding bulk. It's especially useful in corners that would otherwise go unused. You'll typically see it priced around $169, offering storage capacity in a surprisingly small footprint. And hey, if you'd like to explore any of the space-saving pieces you're seeing, you'll find all the links listed in the description below. Feel free to check them out anytime. And now, let's continue with the next one. These wall floating shelves add storage without taking up any floor area at all. They provide a clean place for books, decor, or daily essentials while keeping pathways open and uncluttered. Because they're mounted vertically, they help visually expand the room instead of crowding it with additional furniture. It's a simple upgrade, but one that can completely change how organized a small apartment feels. Most sets are priced around $45, making them both practical and easy to install. Nearby, this rotating shoe rack keeps footwear organized without spreading across the floor. Its vertical spinning design lets you store multiple pairs in one compact footprint while still being able to see and access everything easily. Instead of lining shoes along walls or stacking them in corners, this keeps them contained in a tidy structure that uses height rather than width. It's a great solution for entryways or closets where space is already limited. Most versions are priced around $129, offering strong storage without bulk. And to add a bit of hidden storage, this foldable storage Ottoman bench works as both seating and a place to tuck items away. The top lifts to reveal a roomy interior that's perfect for blankets, accessories, or everyday essentials you'd rather keep out of sight. When closed, it functions as a comfortable bench or footrest, blending easily into living rooms or bedrooms without drawing attention. That dual purpose helps reduce the need for extra furniture in already tight layouts. You'll typically see these priced around $69, making them both practical and versatile. Blending storage into everyday furniture, this tilt-out trash cabinet keeps kitchen essentials tucked neatly out of sight. Instead of leaving a standard bin exposed, the cabinet design conceals it behind a clean front panel, helping the space look more like a piece of furniture than a utility area. The tilt-out feature makes access simple while maintaining a streamlined appearance, which is especially helpful in smaller kitchens where visual clutter stands out quickly. Most versions are priced around $149, combining practicality with a more polished look. For a solution that combines function and decor, this jewelry mirror cabinet adds storage without adding another standalone piece. From the outside, it works as a full mirror, but inside it opens to reveal organized compartments for accessories, keeping everything visible yet neatly contained. By mounting to the wall, it frees up floor space while still offering generous capacity, which makes it ideal for bedrooms where storage is limited. You'll usually find it priced around $89, offering both organization and everyday convenience. Fitting neatly into those narrow gaps that often go unused, this 4-tier slim rolling storage cart turns tight spaces into functional storage. Its slim frame slides easily between appliances, the side desks, or into small corners, giving you layered shelving without widening your layout. The rolling design makes it easy to reposition, while the open tiers keep everyday items visible and accessible. It's a simple way to add storage exactly where you need it without rearranging the room. Most versions are priced around $39, making it a practical addition for compact living. Making use of space that's often overlooked, these underbed storage containers provide an easy way to store items without adding new furniture. They slide smoothly beneath the bed, keeping seasonal clothing, extra linens, or rarely used items neatly out of sight, but still within reach. The low-profile design helps maintain a clean visual layout while maximizing storage capacity in an otherwise unused area. It's an efficient solution for keeping rooms organized without crowding closets or shelves. You'll typically find sets priced around $59, offering hidden storage with minimal effort. Now, for helping reduce bulk even further, these portable space-saver vacuum bags compress larger items so they take up far less room. Clothing, blankets, or seasonal pieces can be sealed and flattened using the included pump, instantly creating more usable storage space. They're especially useful for closets or underbed areas where volume matters more than visibility, keeping everything protected while staying neatly packed away. It's a practical way to manage items you don't need every day without letting them take over. Most sets are priced around $40, making them an easy space-saving upgrade. For seating that doesn't stay out longer than necessary, this wall-mounted folding chair provides support only when you need it. It folds down quickly for putting on shoes or adding an extra spot to sit, then closes flat against the wall to keep the area clear. That ability to appear and disappear makes it especially helpful in entryways or compact rooms where permanent seating would feel intrusive. It keeps functionality available without interrupting the flow of the space. You'll usually find it priced around $79, combining convenience with a minimal footprint. And that brings us to the end of today's space-saving finds. Each of these pieces is designed to help you make better use of the space you already have, without sacrificing comfort or style. If you'd like to check out any of the items we covered, you'll find all the links waiting for you down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one!